Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So today's Cohorted box day, and this is like an extra video. Still really croaky, still very well. This box did actually come yesterday, but I was so tired and it got late and I just couldn't record it because of that. So we'll do it today. So today is Cohorted box day. It's the month of February. So yeah, I'm losing track of my mind. So yeah, this is the February box. £35 a month subscription beauty box. You can get anything in there from like makeup to just beauty stuff or like, other bits and bobs. So I'm going to open this and see what's inside. Hopefully with some throat sweets or something like that to help with me. So like always, we get a book which will tell you about everything inside of here and how much it is. I will get to that after this. So we'll have a look what's in here first. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this. And it says it's a Agent Provocateur Pure Aradisique Eau de Parfum. And there you go. There's a little sample in there. I'm going to actually smell this. I think it's like a little spray one as well. So, yeah. Don't go in my eye. Don't go in my eye. Oh, that smells really nice. Do you know what? I do love the smell of that. It's cool to get little things like this, because then you can like see what it's like before you want to purchase, or it might make you purchase it. So the next things I'm looking at are these big things. So the first thing is Percy & Reed London Hair Dry Instant Volumizing Spray. So that's good. Don't really use hairspray much, to be fair. I've not used it for a long time. And the next one is also Percy & Reed London Hair. Mine's tinted. Volumizing Mousse. Don't use mousse either. I mean, like I said, with these beauty boxes, you never know what you're going to get. Sometimes you might get an amazing box that suits you, and sometimes you might not. But they've got to cater for everybody, I suppose. So it's like, sometimes it's a win-win for me, sometimes it's a not-so-win. Okay, so the next thing is this, which is an LMA Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Super cleansing treatment. Oh, it's got collagen in it. Don't exactly know where that's for, but I'm sure it'll tell me in the book anyway. But nice little product, because it's got collagen in it. Might be a good thing. The next thing that I'm seeing is a Chanel Paris Lip Crayon. To be fair, don't use lip crayons. That's the colour of it. I'm not actually gonna touch it, because I could put this in like a giveaway and there's like a brush thing. So I'm not gonna touch that, and I'm gonna put it to one side because I ain't gonna use that. So might as well give back. Another thing I'm not gonna use as well. Well, look at it, there's a lot of stuff in this box I ain't gonna use. This is a Lord & Berry eyeliner. I'll show you what it looks like. Again, I'm not gonna touch it because that can go in a giveaway, because I'm not gonna use it. I use gel liner, and for me that kind of eyeliner sucks. So I'm not gonna use that ever. And the next thing I'm seeing is Lord & Berry Scuba Pro Black Waterproof Mascara. Don't know, it doesn't say, oh, black, so I can use this. So there's the packaging, something I can use. And there's the end. So yeah, I can definitely use that. And last but not least is a Too Faced Le Creme Colour Drenched Lipstick Moisture Rich Lotus Flower. Oh, it's a pretty box. The only thing is, I don't use lipsticks either. I use liquid lipsticks. Don't use lipsticks. And this is in the colour O. 90210. So it's like, is it like Beverly Hills, do you remember that programme, 90210? Yeah, maybe. So that's the packaging. Very nice packaging. And it does look like a really, really nice colour, to be fair. So I don't know about that. I'm not a lipstick kind of girl. I haven't touched it, just in case I decide to throw that in a giveaway as well, because So overall, this box is not great for me. Some really nice stuff in here, if I'm honest. Like I said, like the eyeliner and stuff is good if you use that kind of eyeliner, but for me it's awful. So February box for me was a bit of a bad one for me. But yeah, I'm still going to continue to get it, because at the end of the day you get a lot of products for your money, and you know, a lot of time it is a good box. Last box was good, this box not so much. Come on, Cohorted, pull your finger out, give us a good box for me. Anyway, if you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully next month I'll be a bit more like, yes, rather than I don't know about this box. So yeah, see you next time. I've done it again, haven't I? I forgot to go through the book. This is going to be a regular thing. So, back to the book and the price and stuff. God, yeah, I'm excited to be useless. It's because my brain's not working. So the box value was £113. Can't keep doing this, can I? It's like, it's going to be a regular thing. Did it last one? I've done it again. Oh, my mind. I think it's because I thought the box wasn't great. So it's just like, I was just like on a bit of a like, can't be bothered. But yeah, I totally forgot. So the Chanel lip definer, eye definer mixed shades. So I suppose you can get different colours in this. That retails at £20. So there, yeah, £20 toward a giveaway of an item. The Percy and Reed London bouncy volumizing mousse is £12. So I don't know if I'd use that. I mean, I could stick that in a giveaway if anyone, you know, people might use it, I don't know. The volumizing spray is £15. So I might use the volumizing spray, but the mousse is definitely a no. So yeah, I think I will stick that away. Like I'll start building like a box up with stuff in it to give away. Okay, so this is what I was interested in, wasn't I? The Elemis collagen balm. Oh, I don't know how you So it's £10. How to use: warm into the palms and massage over the face, neck and decollete with light circular massage. So it's for your face and neck. And then remove with a warm damp cotton cloth for an intentionally nourishing treatment. You can also use this product as a facial mask. See, I don't like stuff where you've got to put it on and then take it off. If you're going to put something on your face to make your face feel good, then why have you got to take it off? Kind of sucks to me. So I don't know about that now. I'm like a bit like, But anyway, that retails at £10. What else we got? So this is the Lord & Berry Shadow Stellographic Eyeliner. Retails at £18. Features a Japanese calligraphy inspired that draws precise, thick and super fine. See, I would love to use these. It's just because I get watery eyes. It just comes off and it makes me look like I've got panda eyes. It does say it's smudge proof and it's waterproof, but for me I don't think that's ever going to be. So they see that even with just them 2 items, them 3 items, that's like a giveaway of like 40 odd quid already, and it'll only build up and get better. So the waterproof mascara, which I'm going to keep for myself, is £16. But I can always use mascaras. That's why I love these beauty boxes sometimes, because like you get mascaras in them and it's like, I can never be bothered to buy them, so getting them in here is like helpful for me. And the last but not least thing is the Too Faced La Creme lipstick in various colours, and that retails at £22. So I'm guessing you could have got any of these colours here. And to be fair, they all look really nice. I'm glad I got the red though. Indulge your lips with a super luxe combination of creamy colour and intense hydration. Available in 25 must-have colours for every fashion and mood. So yeah, that was the box, and like I said, £113 worth. And I have started putting stuff to a giveaway. I was going to put in this in a giveaway as well, which is the contour cream kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I did get a while back, but I touched it. So now it's like, yeah, I didn't touch them all. I just like touched this one here. But now it's like, I don't know if people would actually want that now, so it's like, it's most probably going to have to go in the bin. Or unless I can give it to one of my family. But yeah, I touched that one there. So it's like, now it's just sat there, and it's like a really good item as well. Like, it's really good, but it's like, because I've touched it, it's like, no one's going to want that now. So anyway, I'm so sorry I did this hiccup of a video again. But if you did like this video and my balls up of a video, please like, comment and subscribe. And I promise I will try next time to just fit it all in one go. Bye.